Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Motor Ryker. Brannon King exhaust arrived today. Very excited to put it on. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. I've seen lots of great reviews, and this comes with the exhaust. The Brannon King exhaust comes with a spring puller, and it comes with its own nut and washer, so it pretty much comes with everything you need. I've already gone through and taken off the two springs, and I've taken off the nut, and right here, this is the default exhaust. Now right off the bat, I gotta tell you, there's a big weight difference between these two. This is fairly light. I would say maybe 10 or 11 pounds. Ooh, this one's very heavy, in and around 23 to 25 pounds. So it is gonna take some weight off of the Ryker, which is good. The sound's gonna improve. Everybody knows what the stock exhaust sounds like on the Ryker. It barely sounds like it's on, it makes no noise. I got a friend of mine coming by later. He's got the Two Brothers exhaust. I believe he ordered it off of Sling Mods. So when he comes by later, I'm gonna add on to this video and give you a quick idea of what the Brannon sounds like next to the Two Brothers exhaust. And yeah, I'm excited to finish up this installation and see what this sounds like and see how it goes. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hit the like and subscribe button. Man, it's hot in Toronto today. Great weather for doing some work inside the garage, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this installation up. Here's a quick view. This is one gorgeous exhaust, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Matte black finish. I'm assuming this is for heat. And you got the two pipes. Love how this looks. Look at that. It's gonna look nice sticking out from underneath the Ryker. So I'm gonna finish up the installation and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Hey guys, so the Brannon King is on and my friend with the rally is here and he's got the Two Brothers exhaust on, so we're gonna do a quick sound comparison. We're gonna boot this one up and then boot the other one up. See the difference. Try the Brannon King. It's up to you guys. Let me know in the comments which one do you think is louder or better. You like different sounds? Hey everybody. I just wanted to add on to this video in terms of the Brannon King exhaust. I really like it. I really like the sound. The price is really good. $300 shipped. I'm gonna put the Brannon King's contact information in the description for this video.
You can message him on Facebook. I think that's the only way to get a hold of him, to be honest with you. That's the way I got a hold of him, and he's pretty responsive. So it takes some time. I think he makes them himself. So I think it's like a 4 week lead up time to make the exhaust, and then he ships it out via UPS. And depending on where you are, it takes a certain, probably 5 to 6 business days to get there. Um, yeah, I really like the exhaust. The Two Brothers from Sling Mods is 600 US, and the Brannon King is 300 US shipped. So I just wanted to let you know what the price difference is. They both sound great. The only difference is I think the Brannon King is a little bit deeper in terms of the sound. It's definitely deeper, and when you let off the throttle, there's a very like distinct growl that's deeper than the Two Brothers. But they're both very good exhausts. At this price point of $300 shipped, I think Brannon King is an excellent option. Very good exhaust. It sounds great. Um, I took out the bike for a ride yesterday, and it's definitely a head turner. Everyone's looking. The sound is really good, so it's something you got to get used to. It's definitely louder than the stock exhaust, so it's definitely something you got to get used to. But I personally wouldn't baffle it or anything like that. I like the way it sounds, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts, and definitely hit the like and subscribe button for more content. I appreciate it. Have a good day.